Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Wise Card online. So, using your Wise Card online is super simple. Whether you're shopping, subscribing, or booking travel, simply follow this step-by-step guide to make every transaction smooth and secure. So first, activate your Wise Card. Before anything, make sure that your Wise Card is activated. Open the Wise app, go to the Cards tab, and if it's new, tap Activate and enter the last 6 digits from the card. Once it's active, it's ready for online use. Now, Wise lets you hold multiple currencies. Before paying online, check that your balance covers the amount or add funds in the right currency to avoid conversion fee. You can do this easily in the Balances tab. Now, after you do this, at checkout, select debit or credit card as the payment option anywhere. Then enter your Wise card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address exactly as shown in your app. For extra security, Wise might send a confirmation via the app or email before completing the purchase. If you're shopping on an international site, Wise automatically converts your money at real exchange rates. You don't need to choose a conversion manually. Also, it happens instantly and usually cheaper than traditional banks. After you purchase, open the Wise app, navigate to Activity to view the transaction details, currency breakdowns, and even freeze your card instantly if anything looks suspicious. Now, your Wise card now works seamlessly for online purchases from streaming subscription to global shopping. It's fast, transparent, and perfect for anyone who spends across borders. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.